we're shooting a video with Albert, myself, Dominic, and I see the guys from Manchester. They're like, hey, we want to come on and take a picture. So I'm like, come on, so let's shoot a video. So I'm telling the guys that we bought the house and we're flipping. You guys have any questions?
How much you pay for the house?
Yeah, that was how much you pay for the house? $275. What else? Do you have any more questions?
How do you think it's gonna be flipped?
They're like 6 months to 8 months. We're gonna clean it out. We're gonna put in new bathrooms, new kitchens, new flooring, new windows. You guys can come by after school. Come check it out.
Yeah.
How
much is the process gonna cost you?
Good question. I think we're gonna spend like what?
100, 125.
125. So we pay 275. So we're gonna be into it for like 400. What do you think we're gonna sell this for?
550.
550. So we'll make like 150.
Yeah.
So yo, what are you gonna do with the 150? What should we do with the 150? To like buy a Ferrari or some shit?
Nah. Yeah, I should buy me a house.
Hold on, I got you. Ready?
What should I buy with 150 if I make 150?
Invest in something that will give me money.
I like that.
Yeah,
what should I like invest in? Yo,
stocks.
Check this question out. This is a good question. So what should I invest my money in if I make 150,000? He said I should invest it in stocks. What would you do with 150?
I mean, I would invest it in something that's pretty big right now.
Yeah, like what?
And that eventually, like, for sure that's gonna build up, and then from there, get hella money out of it.
Cool. What would you do with 150? Buy a gold chain?
No.
No gold chain?
I don't even know.
Like a rapper or something? Buy some gold fronts? Nah? You smart like that,
buy a
right?
house.
You buy another house?
Yeah.
You guys are smart, bro.
He got the right
answer.
answer.
What would you do with 150?
I'll keep flipping more houses and more houses.
That's smart, bro. You guys want to do this? You guys want to learn how to do this?
Yeah.
If I teach you how to do it, you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll teach you how to do it.
I'll take the knowledge, but I don't know if I can do it.
Nah, what do you want to do?
I don't know so far, to be honest.
All right, anyway, we're here. If you want to learn, come over. After school, come check it out. Come take some pictures, come take some videos.
Funny part is I live right
there. Yeah? Yo, anyway, nice. I'm glad you guys stopped in, bro.
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys stopped in. If you need anything, we're here, all right?
Yeah.
How much you getting paid?
So I'm glad they came over. They were cool, they're young, and I can't wait for them to come over and see what the process is going to be like. It's kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
These guys are smart. They didn't want to buy no jewelry, and they didn't want to spend the money. They're like, reinvest it. That was cool. So it was good.